Hey everyone! I've been diving into the world of stem cells lately, and honestly, it's fascinating how our bodies keep these cells in check. So, stem cells are basically the body's raw materials. They can make copies of themselves or turn into specialized cells like neurons, muscle, or blood cells. But what's really mind-blowing is how tightly their behavior is regulated. Imagine if stem cells just divided and changed whenever they wanted. Our bodies would be chaos. Instead, there are these intricate control systems at play. For starters, stem cells receive signals from their environment, a bit like getting instructions from their neighborhood. This environment, called the stem cell niche, is made up of other cells, proteins, and molecules that surround the stem cell and send out cues about when to divide, when to stay put, and when to start turning into something new. On top of that, there are signaling pathways like WNT, Notch, and Hedgehog that act as messengers, relaying information from outside the cell to its inner machinery. These pathways can tell a stem cell to self-renew, to pause, or to start differentiating into a specific cell type. Inside the stem cell, there's another layer of control: transcription factors. These are special proteins that decide which genes get turned on or off, kind of like flipping switches in a massive control room. If a stem cell needs to become a muscle cell, certain transcription factors will activate the genes needed for that transformation. And then there are growth factors. These are like nutrients or growth signals that encourage stem cells to multiply or survive under certain conditions. But it's not just about turning genes on and off. There's also epigenetic regulation, which involves chemical modifications to the DNA or the proteins around it. These modifications can make it easier or harder for genes to be expressed, adding yet another level of fine-tuning. All of this regulation is about balance. If stem cells self-renew too much, you can end up with tumors or cancer. If they differentiate too much, you might run out of stem cells for tissue repair or maintenance. The body even controls how stem cells divide. Sometimes they split into two identical stem cells, and other times, one stays a stem cell, while the other becomes specialized. It's such a delicate dance. And understanding these regulatory systems isn't just an academic exercise, it's crucial for things like regenerative medicine, where scientists hope to harness stem cells to repair damaged tissues, and for cancer research, since many tumors hijack these same regulatory pathways. So, the next time you hear about stem cells, just remember, behind the scenes, there's this incredibly complex and elegant system making sure everything runs smoothly. If you're curious about any part of this, let me know. I love talking about this stuff.